professional makeup artist. I do a lot of weddings, and I'm a single mom. The boys keep me very busy, but they keep me young. I live in a 2-bedroom, 2-bath duplex in Midtown. From the outside, it looks like one big house, but it's actually divided into 2. Memphis is a great city to rent in because the city is pretty affordable for renters, and you can rent a really beautiful, unusual house in a great neighborhood. I just don't think you can do that everywhere. I love my house, but my sunroom and my bedroom feel more like a rental, and I really want it to feel more like a home.
I've saved up about $8,000, and since we're not gonna be tearing down any walls or anything, I'm really hoping it's enough.
Alicia, so nice to meet you.
So glad you're here.
Yay. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to see what's
Well, come
inside.
on in, I'll show you around.
Hey.
Okay, here it is.
This is so cute.
Yeah, so it's really the entry and the sunroom.
Okay.
It's just very blank. I'm a single mom. I work all of the time, and I just ran out of time, really.
Got it. I checked you out on social media. I saw how passionate you are about your career, and you love your family, and I'm not getting that in here, so
Right.
what do you envision for this space?
I'm wanting to make it more of a sunroom and more of a live workspace.
Okay.
I love to do makeup here because the light is so good in this room.
I bet.
But I want it to also be a very comfortable, beautiful living space too.
Got it. Okay.
I get a lot of inspiration from New Orleans. I've worked in New Orleans, worked in Hollywood, and I love that old Hollywood feel that's
Regal.
Yeah.
Yes. Oh, it's so beige.
it is so beige.
This is not you.
Exactly. Because I'm a mom. You know, I haven't
Okay.
spent the money or the time in really finding what I want, so.
Oh my gosh, this art is incredible though.
So that's very sentimental. My grandfather painted all of those. Most of those are portraits of people in our family. And I love this vanity. This was my mom's vanity.
Oh.
And this is probably where I learned to do makeup. And I've always wanted to redo it because it's in bad shape.
Okay, do I have your permission to give it some love?
It needs help, yeah. It needs your love.
I will take care of this.
I trust you.
You wait on that.
As a renter, the easiest way to customize your space other than painting is with furniture. And all this furniture doesn't have to be expensive.
I think this room is definitely going to reflect the Alicia that I see in front of me.
I'm a little nervous, but so excited.
But I kind of need you to go now so we can get started.
Okay, I'm out. I'm moving out.
What's going on here?
Demo. All of this needs to come out.
Because we're replacing them with a custom built-in makeup station.
All the way to the ceiling?
Yes.
Okay.
And this floor.
To give it a modern, clean look, we'll use an oil-based paint to cover the tile and grout. Demoing it would be time-consuming and expensive.
Okay.
My challenge is to deliver on design while saving as much money as possible. To keep labor costs down, we're gonna try to finish this in just 4 days. We will keep the shelving because they will be the new shelving for the new built-ins. The bedroom, I don't believe will give us a lot of problems, but that sunroom, it's a small space, but we have a lot to do with the custom built-in and painting the floors. And we have to time everything just right because we can't afford anything going wrong.
Oh my gosh, you got it all demoed.
Got it out.
For the design, we are turning this room into a glamorous makeup lounge reminiscent of the French Quarter.
I'm excited to see that.
This will all go blush.
That's this color?
Yeah, it's one of those colors. And I want to wallpaper the ceiling.
One of Alicia's favorite places is New Orleans, and in a lot of the luxury hotels there, you'll see graphic wallpaper on the ceilings. Since this is a rental, we'll make sure it's removable. And I'll source a daybed and director's chair so that Alicia's clients will have a place to sit down and relax.
In her bedroom, we are taking it to a luxe Hollywood summer retreat.
Okay.
I want wallpaper on the walls.
We'll use a peacock blue grass cloth wallpaper to add texture, but removable so it won't damage the walls. And I'll source furniture that will really reflect her style.
Do you remember her vanity?
I got that over to the lacquer studio. They're working on it as we speak.
Yes. We decided to lacquer Alicia's mom's vanity. Lacquering is a job in and of itself. So we sent the vanity away to a professional where they'll spray it with 8 to 10 coats of paint. It'll cost $800, but once transformed, this will be a signature design element to not only this rental, but anywhere Alicia lives in the future. We're turning Alicia's sunroom into a glam makeup lounge so that she can work with clients out of her home. We built new boxes, but kept the old shelves for cabinets that will flank the new makeup station. And now we're building the table that will go in the middle. Ooh, I see legs.
I'm working on drawers right now, drawer boxes.
Boxes, okay.
And then I got a drawer front.
Pretty.
And this is my face frame.
Ooh, what kind of wood is that?
This is poplar.
Okay.
Got the legs.
Yes. Okay, see? Oh, these are beautiful.
Yeah.
I love
I'll
it.
have to trim them, I think, to make them fit.
Okay.
Oh, and I have the top here. This is the countertop.
Oh yeah, this is perfect. Oh, have we heard back from the lacquerer on the vanity from upstairs?
It'll be ready tomorrow.
Amazing. I'll let you get back to work. I'm so excited to see this finished. As the vanity gets its final coat of lacquer off-site, we're painting the trim in the bedroom first before installing our peacock blue wallpaper. The sunroom walls are turning a bright blush, and we're ending the day by giving the floors 2 coats of paint. It'll take 12 hours to dry, and as soon as it does, we'll have one more day of work before Alicia returns. Dylan, is the floor ready? Because we cannot ruin this floor.
It's ready.
It's ready? Okay, good. Let's start with getting this floor protection up and then getting the rug in. Let's go. Let's go. Thank God the floor is dry and it looks amazing. I took a gamble, but it worked out. But now we have to hurry because we only have 4 hours before Alicia arrives and everything has to be perfect. That is beautiful.
What's this thing?
It's a side table. Hello, friend. I am loving your hair today. Pop of color, let's rearrange those.
Okay.
This is what happens when the sun hits them. They just naturally turn pink.
There it is.
Oh my goodness! Oh my God! This is gorgeous! I love it! It looks so completely different! Gabriel! This is the greatest thing I've ever seen!
Do you love it?
Yes! It's the prettiest room in Memphis.
This space we completely transformed, and all within your $8,000 budget. I saw on your social media that you love the French Quarter, and that is what I was going for in here. I wanted you to have a glamorous, luxurious makeup lounge.
You nailed that.
Okay!
You totally nailed that. This is so great. All of it looks so beautiful. This is even more than I expected. This is crazy. There's not one thing in here that I would change. It is perfection. I just love it so much.
This space before was just beige,
Yeah.
subdued, and
Yeah.
lacking personality. And I was inspired by the bungalows of old Hollywood and just very retro and colorful,
Definitely.
but relaxing and vibrant at the same time. This is a peacock blue grass cloth wallpaper, and it's removable, so you can easily change it back.
It's gorgeous, really pretty.
Now, we sent your mom's vanity out to a professional to be lacquered.
Oh, wow. Oh my God, that is gorgeous. My mom's vanity means a lot to me. If she was here, she'd be crying for sure. I mean, it is gorgeous and perfect.
I love that. And then I wanted your grandfather's artwork to feel much more intentional. And so you now have a place to see these and enjoy these.
Oh, I'm gonna cry. I'm gonna cry. Look at the pictures up there.
Does this finally feel like home?
Yes. I'm never gonna leave this room, honestly. It's terrible.
Yes! Yes!
Carmian really understood me and got what I wanted.